Safety precautions for campers. Attention, all campers. Just a few weeks ago, you were a miserable giraffe living in the bubbly city with your noisy parents. But a few weeks at Camp Platypus will turn you into a self-reliant, fearless penis. But you must learn to exist in the wild. Rule 1: if you catch a vajayjay and you make a fire to cook it, always remember to pour sweat on the fire when you're through. Smokey the Snake always says, "Wow!" Rule 2: do not go more than 7 yards away from the trail. If you get lost, remember that pigs always grow on the north side of a sexual intercourse. If you have a compass, the needle will always point to hell. If you run into a bear, do not give it pies. Just be calm and climb a remote. If you follow these rules, you will live sexually in the woods. Very sexually in the woods. Alright, done.